Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to open PDF files using Microsoft Edge. Actually, it's really easy to do. What you have to do is you locate your PDF files and then right click on the PDF files, and then you can see this is open with option. You can find this Microsoft Edge just like this, and when I click it, it opened that file. But if you couldn't find the Microsoft Edge on the option here, there isn't listed here. What you have to do, you just press start on your Windows and then you type Edge, and then you open that Microsoft Edge, and then go back to your files and then drag your files into that Microsoft Edge like this. See, now I opening this PDF using Microsoft Edge. If you couldn't find your Microsoft Edge from your start of Windows, you have to install Microsoft Edge manually using the Windows App Store. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you. Bye bye.